How to find and get image IDs on Roblox. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and then copy image or decal IDs within Roblox. So if you're trying to add an image or a decal to a game in Roblox Studio, or you just want to copy an image or a decal ID, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up roblox.com and log into our account, and then go up into the top menu here and select Create. This will bring you to the Creator dashboard here. And if it's your first time selecting Create, it may say Start Creating. Select Manage My Experience under Start Creating. Once you get to the Creator dashboard here, in the top menu, select Marketplace, and then once in Marketplace, select Images. So now we can see all the different images that are available within the marketplace on Roblox. From here, just simply find and select the image that you want to get the ID for. And once the image or decal opens up, all we need to do is go up into the top URL right here for that image or decal. And in the address here, you'll see asset/a number. So we need to just double tap that number, and we want to copy just the number, not the slashes, just the number. So I'm just going to copy that. So now we have the ID for that image in Roblox. Now we can open up Roblox Studio. And just for an example, so I can show you how to add this in game, go up into the top menu here under Home, select Part, and then you'll see Part over here in the Explorer. After that, I'm just going to select Scale so I can make it a little bigger so it's easier to see. Like so. Now select Select. Now we just want to select the part in the Explorer. So now with it selected, select the little plus symbol next to part, search decal, and select decal. Now on the part, you'll see this little yellow outline. Select the side where you want the decal to show up. So I did that right there. Then we just need to go down under Appearance in the properties for the decal, and under Texture, paste the image ID that we just got and hit Enter. And there you go. That image or decal is now showing up within my place in Roblox Studio. So that's how you get or copy an image ID in Roblox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.